Hello friends, today we are going to study about cough and its drugs. So first cough, two types, dry cough and productive cough. We will treat dry cough by antitussives and productive or wet cough by mucokinetics, which aid in removal of secretions from lungs. So examples of antitussives are codeine, folcodeine, dextromethorphan, which is most important, and noscapine. Codeine and folcodeine are opioids. Now examples of mucokinetics are two types: expectorants and mucolytics. So mucokinetics, as I told, they aid in removal of secretion from lungs. Mucokinetics. Two types: expectorants, which increase secretions, and mucolytics. Expectorants, which increase secretions, and mucolytics, which break the mucus, lyse mucus. Example of expectorants are guaifenesin and Ki, or potassium iodide. And example of mucolytics are most important: ambroxol, bromohexine, N-acetylcysteine, which cleave disulfide bond of glycoprotein present in mucus, and Dornase alpha. Okay, this is all about cough and its pharmacology. Again, two types: dry cough, productive cough. We will treat dry cough by antitussives and productive cough by mucokinetics. Mucokinetics, two types: expectorants and mucolytics. Okay, so remember these examples. This is all for today. Thank you.